Hey, what's up guys? Just going to do a really quick unboxing and review of the Robustrue 1/2" electric impact wrench. This is going to have 405 pounds of torque on it. You're going to have 3 speed settings and an auto brake stop, so to make sure you're not over torquing everything. Let's go ahead and get unboxed and see everything that we've got in here. Alright guys, so straight out of the box, it comes in this really nice case. I haven't even opened it yet, but it comes in a really nice carrying case here, so if you want to store this in your truck or store in a vehicle or keep it well stored away, you could. It's got a really nice hard shell case here, and you're able to just pop it open just like this. And now we've got all of our stuff in here. Looks like we've got our manual. We've got one battery, 2 batteries. Got 2 batteries here. These are going to be 21 volt lithium ion. These are going to both be 4 amps. So you've got 2 of those, which is really nice to have a spare. You've got all your different lugs there as well. You've got your charging station. And then here is our impact wrench itself. You're going to have your safety, all that on there to be able to change that. And then there is the full functionality. On the bottom there, it's going to show you your battery percentage and how you can get everything hooked up. Let's go ahead and just get one of those suckers on there. And as you can see, it's got all the different settings there. So we've got our battery percentage. It's going to show us our auto stop. We can swap to our different modes. So we've got high, middle, and low. And that's going to kind of let you set all that up whatever you're working on. But very impressed that it's already straight out of the box working. Really, really nice about that. And you've also got another bag here. Looks like this is going to have your different bits. So it comes with an assortment of bits on there as well, which is really cool. And then here is your adapter for all that. So you're able to hook that up on whatever style you're working with. If you just want to put this on here just like that. Now you can change this and put in whatever style bit that you've got on here. If you're going on concrete or whatever you need, you've got literally everything inside of this pack, which is really, really cool. You can buy this and go straight to work on whatever you're working on. So if you guys are looking for a great 1/2" impact driver, I would highly recommend you guys checking this one out.